Hi everyone, this channel is back. Trading Gecko is back. I'm going to be going through charts, indicators, the whole shebang on this channel. So I thought I'd start off by a 30-minute analysis of the Ethereum chart. So let's get into it. I've loaded up the SNR Power channel by ChartPrime. It's a free indicator. Just to look at the price action, just to look at the support and resistance levels on our chart. We see here a very, very clear resistance level. The price is constantly knocking against it, and it's kind of found resistance around this zone again. If we were to draw this here, it's more zonal. These resistances are zonal things. So if we were to draw it around here, we can see we've come up to this resistance again, and we're finding a great deal of difficulty to break it, and we're getting these rejection markers. So where will the price likely go? It will likely revisit this equilibrium zone, which is also coincidentally, guess what? A support level. If we extrapolate and extend it out backwards, we see this is a massively significant level in the market. We go up, we come down, we test it, we bounce, we wick up to it. We're playing around with this level an awful lot, and it's a massively significant area in the market. So let's take a look at some oscillators, maybe some momentum indicators like the RSI. Well, the RSI isn't necessarily forming a divergence because obviously we haven't formed a higher high. However, the fact that our RSI is starting to creep downwards is never a good sign. The fact we might be crossing over our moving average here suggests that bearish momentum is coming into the market, which again does not surprise me given the fact that we can't break this level in the market. If we do break through that level, I would expect a retest of the around 3.5k zone. Let's just load in some MACD and zoom in on the MACD and take a look at what this is telling us. Again, this bullish wave is turning over. We're likely to see a crossover soon. And honestly, if I had to probably guess, let me remove the drawings, we're probably forming some kind of consolidation pattern. The fact that we are forming these kind of maybe higher lows if you're drawing it from the body, or if we're trying to overfit, is not a particularly bullish sign. I mean, no matter how I draw it, if I draw it from there, it is slightly lower highs, which is never a great sign. The fact that the higher lows are quite aggressive is a good sign, however. So let's first probably expect this to be the area that we touch. The fact we're getting a crossover on the MACD, the fact this is our equilibrium, the fact we're getting some not very aggressive lower highs, but we're getting some aggressive higher lows would suggest that this 3.63k, this level in the market is definitely something we want to be gunning for in the near future over the next couple of days. So this is the outlook for the ETH 30-minute chart.